Now, this is a pattern that you may recognize in your practice, and I call this the insomnia revolving door. This is where you have a patient who presents to you with insomnia, and then you might try treatment. So you might try a medication or CBTI even, or sleep hygiene, or some other strategy, melatonin, magnesium, or something else. And then they don't get better. And they come back to you with insomnia. So now you try another treatment. And you try something else, and they still don't get better. And this cycle continues. Maybe you even refer them to a sleep specialist or someone else, and they come back to you and they're still not sleeping. So over time, that visit can start to feel like a revolving door. And the problem isn't usually that you're not trying enough treatments or that you haven't found the right supplement or the right medication or the right referral. The problem is usually that the evaluation was incomplete. So if that sounds familiar to you, you are certainly not alone.